Hey guys, we are standing outside the Continental floor plan.
Yes.
One of Highland Homes' brand new floor plans that they just rolled out for their 45-foot lots.
Yep.
And we are coming to you from, there's a bug, we're coming to you from Houston. So we are not in Dallas right now, we're coming to you from Houston because this is where they have them.
Yeah, what in the world are we doing in Houston? So yeah, we took the drive over here because of you. So you can look first dibs, you can have first dibs to look at what their new floor plans are looking like here in the community of Sandbrock in their 45-foot lots in Highland Home Builders. So make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our content that we post each and every week. Hey guys, so if you are new to our channel, welcome. This is Gus and Karla here. We are local realtors here in the Dallas area, even though we are in the Houston area right now. We do help many families just like yours buy, sell, invest, and relocate here into the beautiful Dallas area. So if you want more information, or if you've been searching around and see if you know, Dallas might be a great option for you and your family, please reach out to us. Our information is going to be up here. You can go in the description of this channel, of this video as well. So you can, you know, you can email us. You can book an appointment also on the link there on the description of the channel. We would love to hear from you and answer any questions that you may have. If you're planning a visit, hey, let's meet up. Let's have a cup of coffee, hang out, get to know each other a little better, and help you out in your home search here in the Dallas area.
Hey guys, so we're about to walk into the Continental floor plan here from Highland Homes. The very first thing you're gonna notice is a beautiful large door. It's been upgraded, but it's got great curb appeal. It just really makes the home feel a little bit nicer, a little bit grander. You're still gonna have these amazing 13-foot ceilings. And then right off to my right-hand side, you're gonna have the study, which is the first thing you're gonna see when you walk in. Now you're gonna notice some beautiful arched windows that are letting tons of natural light enter into this room. It is super spacious and you've got French doors to go with it. As we continue, you're gonna see off to my left-hand side, one of the reasons I absolutely love this floor plan. You have an entertainment room and it's all on one story. I mean, I love, love, love one stories. And this is a really great size for an entertainment room. Okay, off to my right-hand side, you're gonna have 2 additional bedrooms plus an additional full bathroom. So as we walk down over here, you're gonna have your laundry room. You're gonna have extra coat space and coat closet space. This room is really, really great. I love it because it's an ensuite. So you can see the size of this room, and this room is actually going to have its very own full bathroom. This is a great kitchen, great for entertaining, tons of space, very spacious. As you guys can see, you have tons of cabinet space. You've got the built-in oven and microwave. You've got beautiful pendant lights that showcase the beauty of this home. And another great thing about Sandbrock is that you're actually gonna have upper cabinets that will extend 42 inches. So this is an option if you want to add the full upper cabinet, but your standard is going to be 42 inches. That's going to be a lot taller than what we have in this home. As we walk on over to the living room, you are gonna notice tons of windows and natural light, all the brightness, the white of this home is amazing. And on top of that, you've got additional recessed lighting, and you've got this gorgeous hutch off to the right-hand side. And these sliding glass doors, honestly, you guys, it makes such a big difference. It really makes the room feel big, it makes it feel spacious, and above everything, it's great for entertaining. So if you've got people over and you want to hang out inside and outside, this is definitely one of the best homes you can be in. Okay, we are now standing in the master bedroom. You can see how tall these ceilings are, how amazing this house feels just all around. So this is gonna be an additional upgrade if you guys wanna do the box window or the bay window. But we strongly suggest it. It gives it a totally different feeling, a totally different look, and it's great for resale value. Okay, so this is your master retreat. You're gonna see here that they have upgraded to the standalone tub, which is very popular right now. You are gonna get this walk-in shower that is standard, and you guys can also do a drop-in or a regular tub at no additional cost. You're gonna have his and her sinks, and the space in this bathroom, you guys, it is definitely doable for 2 people or more. Because I know when you got little ones, sometimes they wanna be in the bathroom with you, know all the things you're doing. So you've got additional space here, you've got your toilet room. Well, there you have it, guys. We really hope that you've enjoyed this video, that you've enjoyed this walkthrough. Yeah. You guys let us know what you think. Again, this is a brand new floor plan called the Continental by Highland Homes that's going to be rolled out in Sandbrock Ranch.
So yeah, you have many options to choose from as far as this floor plan goes. We do hope that you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts, your comments. So make sure to leave that here, leave your comments, and we would love to hear from you. We do answer every comment, by the way. Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.